one for y'all. Check this out today on my YouTube channel. We're going over how to make money on Spotify playlists. Go ahead, leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy Yon World. Now, one of the ways people are making money online is by creating Spotify playlists and selling playlist placement to independent artists all over the internet. Now, I'm about to teach y'all how to do this, how to make money on Spotify playlists, how to make money by creating Spotify playlists and selling playlist placement, right? Is 3 different methods you can use to do this. I'm about to share all 3 with y'all on this video, so make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel Yon World. Now, I made previous videos on my page. I have them linked to this video, right? But I made a video on how to create a Spotify playlist. Now, the first thing you have to do is create a Spotify profile, right? You can do this either on the desktop or on your mobile phone, right? I recommend doing it on the desktop. Once you create your Spotify profile, you can come over in the left section, right? And you will see create a playlist, right? From here, you have to create a playlist and make that playlist public to begin making money on your Spotify playlist. Remember, your playlist has to be public on Spotify to make money on your playlist, right? And I made videos about how to make a public playlist on Spotify, right? Now, the main thing about Spotify playlists, if you see, I created this playlist called The Golden Age. The main thing about Spotify playlists is the cover art. So you can use a website called bannersnack.com. That's bannersnack.com. I'll have a link in the description. Make sure y'all click all the links in the description. Now, on bannersnack.com, they have a bunch of templates that's already like Spotify playlists, music, cover art, design, looking. So if you go to bannersnack.com and then you go to the templates and you search music, right? All you have to do is search it by music. You'll see all of these different templates for a Spotify playlist, right? And you can just come on here and edit the text. Any template you click on, you'll have freedom to edit the text however you like, right? And you can see right here, I selected this template. It's like a gold album art, right, with the record. And after you create the template and design it, you design the text however you want, right? You can, edit the text however you want. You would download the image, right? I recommend downloading it as a PNG file, as a PNG. Download it as a PNG file, right? And then you would go back to Spotify and you would basically just add it into your playlist, right? That's the main thing. You want to have good cover art for your playlist. It'll make your marketing better. It'll make independent artists want to be a part of your playlist. If you can come on here, choose the right templates and just edit the text and have very creative playlist names. Now, after you created the playlist and you made it public on Spotify, now you can start making money with it. Now, there's a couple ways you can do this, right? You can start an Instagram profile, right? You would start an Instagram profile promoting your Spotify offers, right? And once you have an Instagram profile, you can run Instagram ads. You can run Instagram story ads that will show, your different marketing advertisements, and it'll allow people to get in contact with you so they can pay you, $25, $10, whatever your fee is to get placed on your playlist, right? And this is a great way to reach people through Instagram ads. All you have to do is just make little creatives. You can use websites like Bannersnack or Canva to create graphics that look like this, right? These motion graphics that have great text and that look like this for marketing, right? You can use Canva or Bannersnack to do that, right? So you can use Instagram to promote these offers and reach an audience, right? The next method to make money on Spotify playlists is through Fiverr, right? Now, after you create these Spotify playlists, you can post them and list them on Fiverr, right? You can create a buyer account on Fiverr or a seller's account, right? You can create a seller's account on Fiverr where you sell services, and you can sell Spotify playlist placement. That's what you are selling. You are promoting Spotify offers. So you can sell Spotify playlist placement on Fiverr, right? You can, start it off however you want your fee to be, from $10 to $25 per song added. It can add up and you can make some good money, promoting independent artists. Now, the next method is playlist push. Now, playlist push is probably the best website because it already has a network of independent artists paying playlist push to get on Spotify playlists. Right now, the thing about playlist push is that you have to have built up Spotify playlists already. Your playlist has to be public. It has to have at least 1,000 followers on your playlist, right? And you have to have at least 30% of those followers playing the music, right? So if you have 1,000 followers, right, on your playlist, you have to at least be getting 300 streams per month on that playlist, right, to be eligible to get listed on playlist push. Now, when you build a Spotify playlist, when you want to make money on a Spotify playlist, this is the way a lot of people are doing it, right? In order to build and sustain a Spotify playlist, it is hard to get thousands of followers. It is hard. So what you can do is paid promotion. Now, there's two ways you can get traffic when you come to social media marketing, right? You can use organic promotion, that's simply posting on Instagram, posting on Twitter, posting on Facebook, and getting your network of friends and these different groups to click on your link. That's organic promotion where you aren't paying for it. And then you could use paid promotion through the Spotify method to grow your playlist, right? You can boost your followers on your playlist, and you can also grow the streams, right? I now offer two different services, right, on my website for the Spotify method, and it's the Spotify album and playlist streams where they're evenly split. So if you get 10,000 streams, however many songs are on the playlist, they'll be evenly split between all of the songs, right? And I also have playlist followers, right, where you could get 1,000 followers, you get 10,000 followers, and you'll be able to list your playlist on playlist push. Now, the thing about paid promotion, right, is when you pay for Spotify streams, they're permanent. After 30 seconds, when a song is streamed for longer than 30 seconds, the stream is counted and royalties are paid out to the royalties rights holder, right? The artist, right? Now, the thing about playlist followers, I will give you a heads up. Playlist followers tend to drop off. A percentage tends to drop off every month. They tend to unfollow certain playlists. So sometimes the followers will fall off, and you have to continuously promote yourself because it's no refunds when it comes to paid promotion online. So you have to understand that a percentage will drop and it's no refund for it. So you have to continuously promote yourself when you're using a paid promotion method on Spotify to grow and build and sustain your playlist. Now, it takes money to make money, but you can make a lot of money, a good amount of income by making Spotify playlists, by simply making Spotify playlists. So it's your boy Yon World. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications for your boy. I'm out. Peace.